Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you are tired of wasting time on tools or tactics that overpromise and underdeliver, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this AI powered tool AI VID FOREST can really do, the good, the bad, and even the surprising part no one else is talking about. I'm talking in this video. Here what I'll cover, whose this tool is perfect for and where it may fall short, and by the end I'll show you the 5 free bonuses you'll get if you decided to buy it through my link. So stick around till the end. Let's start with a quick overview. Once we completed the overview, then move into the pros and cons of this powerful product. So what is AI VID Forest exactly? It's the world's first fully AI powered video creation app that turns any idea, voice, or prompt into stunning hyper realistic 8K cinematic video. Yes, 8K quality with AI actors, Hollywood style effect, and zero filming required. Here are the standout feature. There is 16 to 17 features listed down in their website, but these 4 features is worth to discuss. First one, AI ads maker. You can create high quality ads that actually converts for any platform like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube in just a minute. AI cinematic video. Think movie level production, including actors, script, effects, and all generated with a single prompt. And your videos are highly interactive, so it can translate and dubbed into a 15 language, so you can get a world level audience. And the final personal favorite for me, the AI thumbnail and titles. With a single click, you can instantly generate click-worthy thumbnails and viral titles without lifting a finger. It sounds very impressive, right? Let's break it down further with pros and cons. I am listed down 4 pros and 2 cons for this particular product. Pros side, high converting ads in a minute. So this software creates high compelling ads, so next time if you're running any campaign you won't lose much of your budget. It saves you a lot of money. And a Hollywood level cinematic video, so if you have a YouTube channel and if you are a animation enthusiast, you can you can utilize this feature. The AI handles everything. It handles scenes, effects, script, actors. This is next gen content creation, and turn prompts into engaging story. All you have to do, just type a blog, a script, or even a rough idea, and it build a visually rich animated videos automatically. And one of the cool pro which I suggest is picture level cartoon or anime style animation just from a text prompt. Great for creators and educators. Now let's talk about the cons, because no tool is perfect, right? Con number one, limited customization for advanced editor. If you are a pro editor, some features it seems bit limited compared to pro software like Premiere Pro or After Effects. Basic plans come with some restrictions, so the basic version starts at $16, but some features like Ultra HD renderization or multilingual dubbing might be limited unless you upgrade to the Pro version. And the good news, you can grab a discount using my coupon, link in the description. Alright, now it's time to see the product in action. Let's dive into a quick demo so you can see what AI VID Forest really looks like in real use. As you can see, the tools walk you through the process step by step, even if you have never made a video before. Simple, intuitive, and surprisingly powerful. Ratings and final verdict. After using and testing this tool, here's my honest rating. For AI automation, I'm giving 4.5 out of 5. Pricing, the front end is pretty cheap, so I'm giving 4 out of 5. Value for money, I'm giving 4 out of 5 for because it's perfectly suited for marketers, coaches, and creators. And easy to use, I'm giving 4 out of 5. It's very beginner friendly with minimal learning curve. And my final verdict, AI VID Forest is a game changer for video marketers, educators, and digital creators. Whether you want to launch viral ads or create animated videos, With no filming, these tools deliver serious value. Now, here's the fun part. If you buy AI VID Forest using my link below, I will gift you 5 free bonuses worth over $200 to help you get even more out of this tool. Here is the list of bonus you can grab. Bonus 1, 100 plus free video editing templates. Bonus 2, viral video script pack. Bonus 3, AI powered video creation script guide. And bonus 4, AI automation mastery ebook. And the final one, bonus 5, AI cartoon and animation video bundle. All these are yours, guys, just for grabbing the product through my affiliate link. It's my way of saying thanks and helping you succeed. That's it for today, folks. If you found this review helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you still have questions, I'll reply to everyone. Also, don't miss my YouTube shorts where I share exclusive trick to unlock even more bonuses from future tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.